Hello, and welcome to the Local SEO Fundamentals course brought to you by Moz. My name is Brian Childs, and I will be your instructor for this course. Let's go ahead and take a look at the agenda and the different items that are going to be covered. This course will start out with a discussion to answer this question: what is local SEO? We're going to look at the kinds of search engine result pages that show up and map those both to search intent as well as the sales funnel to understand how local SEO plays a role in your business strategy. Then we're going to look at the different types of businesses that are eligible for local SEO implementation. Not all businesses are, and we talk about the 6 different strategies that you can pursue. Then we'll dive deeper on listings and associated topic, propagation. That is, how do you create listings, what are they, and how do they get distributed, in addition to what kinds of issues happen during that propagation process. We'll round it out with a discussion about the local SEO site audit. That is, how do you audit a site and listings when you're doing local SEO? We also have this added discussion about reviews, which is just a nice way of thinking about one of the different implementation factors in this type of business strategy. Hope you enjoy the class.